struggle for the restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra is a lifetime struggle that will end up releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
I'm not against agitation for self-determination or self-independence. The Scotland where I live in, they are still agitating. They had a referendum a few years back, and they are still is one of the primary items in the manifesto of Scottish National Party (SNP). Yeah. So it's legal everywhere, for as long as we are doing it the right way, the legal way.
Nigeria is a lawless society, and sometimes it surprises me that when it comes to IPOB, suddenly Nigeria becomes a lawful society.
You cannot base any agitation on illegality. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been in prison. Somebody can get up that in that prison and say, because I don't like your face, and kill you. I won't support that. Yeah, what I won't support is illegality.
How can Nigeria, that convicted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for belonging to a terrorist organization, so-called, fail to convict Mazi Chike for belonging to the same organization?
I'm not taking any position. The questions I'm asking today are the questions. If you go to our comment section, these are the questions that have been raised there. When it involves my followers, I will take it personal. So early 1967, I think it was in January, there was the Aburi Accord.
The problem Nigeria has is problem of leadership and the people there, both southeast, south-south, southwest, northeast, north central, or whatever. It's the people there who are running the affairs of the things. If we have a strong governance, strong leadership in the southeast, in the southeastern states, I think the federal government will be the one to come to be negotiating with us. You don't go about chasing butterfly. If you make your garden beautiful, butterflies will come to your garden. We don't have any negotiating power, any negotiating capacity. We don't have that strategy. We have not built that capacity to go and negotiate for distance. But we want it to be given to us. IPOB has no manifesto on ground.
It doesn't need to have a manifesto. IPOB has a code of conduct, and its aim is simple: to actualize a sovereign state of Biafra through self-determination. It is not a political party that you will expect it to give you a manifesto. No movement that is dedicated to the actualization of self-determination for its people has a manifesto. In Imo State, for instance, the people did not choose the governor. The governor was imposed on them.
Godwin goes to Abuja to wave Tinubu when he is going for his medical treatment in France.
Nigeria controls the southeast, so it doesn't allow the will of the people to happen. People do not know that what actually led to Biafra breaking out was the crisis between Akintola and Awolowo.
This current president was the governor of Lagos State. His allocation was withheld. He never went to Abuja.
You know very well that in Lagos, they could almost hold you the way they will hold you on the street to take money off your pocket.
Yes. They have not even had any encounter with the federal government to make them to go and bow to them. They willingly on their own submitted to go and bow every month.